Hi everyone, welcome to FXFocus. I'm Brandon, and today I'm just going to take you through the website. Pretty much what we have is from the home page is the latest performance from the DEX 30 and how it's been performing for the last few weeks. And what we can see that it's been going up this week. It's averaging alright, which is okay. Pretty much you can subscribe to receive SMS alerts for forex, equities, CFDs, commodities and indices plus crypto. So what we have at the bottom also is if you need to receive an SMS alert, you can also test your number right there, and you can also look at all the signals and how they're performing. And what we pretty much have is our forex majors and how they're performing overall. You can also go to forex if you need to view just the forex themselves, just like this. That will isolate and remove the other ones, but I think for now we'll focus on the all signals so we can really see what's happening in the portfolio. So under forex majors we have a couple of trades. Some were executed on 21 September, some yesterday, and this is the current pips in profit, the open price of when it opened the trade, and the current price of the security, and today how it's performing. So right now we're 100 pips in profit since 21 September. Yesterday the GBUSD did a buy, which is alright. But what's the dollar? We've got commodities. We can look at gold, silver, crude oil, platinum, copper, wheat, and how it's performing in the portfolio. We can look at CFD indices, futures, pretty much around Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. So if you like, you can even click on Nasdaq, which will pretty much show you the performance of the Nasdaq itself and how it's been performing within the FXFocus neural network. We pretty much use the neural network to generate the signals. So pretty much here we can see how it's been performing and how it's going. So the next thing is I'll just go back to all the signals where we were, and so we can continue going down. So you can click on any of them when you feel like it. If you want to get the FTSE 100, the SPY 200, Russell 2000, also equities, Google. Right now markets are closed, so it's not changing much right now, but the markets will open in the next 2 hours. So what we pretty much have is Google, Facebook, Intel, Berkshire Hathaway, and you can go in any of them to measure the performance. And then what I'll show you next, and also we have the crypto signals themselves that you can also look at. So if you do wish to receive our signals, you can sign up, and and you can also choose to download the MetaTrader. So firstly what I'll do right now is I'll just go and show you. So if you want to look at equities, you can pretty much just focus on equities if that's what you want to focus on, or CFD futures. So if you need to look at the performance and isolate the good apples and the bad apples from the bad apples, we pretty much have these ones performing alright within the portfolio. Commodities are performing, these ones are performing right, these ones are not so well. We're looking to reset those ones with the new neurons that will be able to perform better. We also have the Dow Jones, the performance, especially looking at Nasdaq, so at the highest right now, 2000 pips in profit, followed by 1600 by S&P. This one is recovered from negative, so this is really great. So 321 pips. We can also get a look at the equities themselves, how it's performing within the portfolio. So you can also go to the trades, so you get to look at all the trades to see how the trades are performing within the website. So this will pretty much give you a rundown of the last 100 trades that have been done by the system itself and where it's going. Now focus on the strategy. So if you wish to invest, pretty much recommend a minimum of 2,000 to 3,000 or 4,000 US dollars, and it needs to be a US dollar account, which helps in regards to currency exchanges and your payouts. But because everything is still based on US dollar, I will recommend US dollar. So you can get our trading robot, sign up to our provider, the broker, AvaTrader. They pretty much cover most of those markets that they cover all the markets that we just showed you. So then at the bottom you can see we've got the benefits that they bring, and if you choose to subscribe to receive our signals and set up your computer to trade for you 24/7 and subscribe to our feeding robot, this is what you get to see and what it trades for you. So now I'll focus on the my account part. Actually, before you do that, if you need to sign up, this is where you can sign up. The mobile number is required for security, and it's also required for SMS alerts, and also your MetaTrader ID if you wish to activate and start trading your MetaTrader system with our trade copier. So what I'll now do is I'll now just take you through into the website, so we can pretty much see what's going on in there. So just give me a sec. Okay, so what you can see is when you sign in, you'll be able to see the performance also of how the performance. So we have a key recommendation here for you that you can use that will help you assist in where to put money. So if it's warning, it is making money, but we're just cautious about using it. If it's no, that pretty much means don't put money into it because it's in negative territory right now. If it's looking good, that means it's doing alright. It's getting to the threshold where we like it, and if it's really doing good, then like Nasdaq, that's where you get the thumbs up pretty much. So what you can do is you can choose to activate, to subscribe and unsubscribe to signals that you need. So you just click on subscribe, and that will activate the trading robot to start trading for you, or even for your SMS alerts. So I just unsubscribe on that one for now, and you can pretty much choose from the range of portfolio of what you wish to trade. From then on, what I can show you is this, where you subscribe to get the feeding robot, where you get to see your downloading your access for the account, and pretty much the system requirements that are needed to run the trading robot. This way you can check your signal sent and your invoices and my account. So pretty much this is it, and this is how you can use FXFocus website to keep track of your trades and how the performance is going. Thank you very much. You have a good day and a good night.